Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add email on your Amazon shopping app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Amazon app. So you just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just waiting to open with you like this. You click here on account, then it's going to take you here, and you go down, so you come here to login security. You will click here, then it's going to take you to next window here, then you just come here to email. You will click here on add, you will click, then it's going to take you here, and here you add your new email address, and you click here on continue, and it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do to add your email address on your Amazon shopping app. Just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you a great thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.